Google Drive, Google Docs, and PDFs. It's pretty easy to put a PDF into Google Drive. You hit plus, do file upload, and you go find the file that you want to upload. And when you click on it, you either double click or click and hit open. Now, once you've uploaded the PDF into Google Drive, if I double click on it, I'm viewing it as the original PDF. This is the original PDF. I'm viewing it. I haven't opened it in Google Docs. However, I can open it in Google Docs right here. Open with Google Docs. Now look at this formatting. You can see how that is. And if I open with Google Docs, what's going to happen? It's going to pull that PDF in as best it can, but it is not going to be exactly as I see it. Look right here. First of all, these bullet points, they're no longer bullet points. They're part of the text. And furthermore, it jammed them all together, and I got to edit all of this. Now, bottom line, if you have a PDF that you want to edit and you don't have the original document from where the PDF was created, you can pull it into Google Docs. And then you can edit it and make the changes you want to make, but you're going to have to play with, adjust, resolve the formatting issues because it's going to pretty much destroy a lot of the formatting. But here's the PDF that I uploaded into Google Drive to hang on to it. And then when I opened it up and converted it into a Google Doc, I have all the text. I'm just going to have to correct the formatting. Hey, I'm Teddy. My purpose is to help you get the most out of Google Workspace, and I hope this is helpful for you, even though it might still be a little problematic.